I'm Gino from Keystone Harley-Davidson. Today I'd like to talk about this beautiful 2008 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom. The Softail Custom comes in a custom copperhead and red two-tone paint with a gold leaf Harley-Davidson insignia, which tells you that the bike is a custom color from Harley, because anytime there is a gold leaf emblem on the gas tank, that tells you that it is a custom color from Harley-Davidson. It also comes with a 1584cc engine, which translates to a 96 cubic inch, and has a 6-speed transmission. It also has the Flame Collection from Harley-Davidson, which are the pegs and the grips. It also has the security system from Harley-Davidson. It has the smooth wheels from factory, which are aluminum smooth wheels, which means they never rust. It also came with the 12-inch Mini Apes, your braided lines, and your Screaming Eagle exhaust. If you'd like to come in and take it for a test ride, stop in or call 610-379-4055. Thank you.